Southeastern Montgomery County and central North Carolina, northeastern Richmond County and central North Carolina, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles northwest of Hoffman, or 14 miles north of Rockingham, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Southern Pines, Rockingham, Pinehurst, Aberdeen, Hoffman, Piney Bluff, Ellerbe, Foxfire, Gander, and Taylortown. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. The following is a special